Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm with Dave. And this is not the case, obviously. This is the Mahindra. This is Emax 20S.
Yes.
What the S stands for?
I'm thinking about it. I get the maintenance book in there, but it's certainly not for sport.
Okay, Dave, can you explain us a little bit more about this backhoe?
Yes, Mahindra doesn't build the backhoe for the Emax. It's TYM who built it, and but they put their name on it. They have the 23B. For the TYM number of it, I don't remember. Sorry. So that's it. And
yeah, you showed me the instruction manual,
yes.
And then you clearly see at the end of the on the cover page at the end. Actually, the back page of the manual is TYM.
Yes.
It's pretty much like having an Infiniti that have a Nissan being stamped everywhere. And you get a good idea of what the project could be. It's within that area here. So that will not be a good suspense. And what I will do this time is that the next part of the video will be on Dave's channel. Okay. So if you want to see the project, go to Dave's channel. I'll put the link somewhere at the end card, something like that. You will have to click the link and be able to go to Dave's channel. So Dave's channel is RCAF Polar Express. Yes. See you there.